I'm here with Bruce from Cenex Presswood Pallets. How are you, Bruce?
Hi, Lawrence. Nice to meet you.
You too. Now tell us about these very impressive pallets and what the business is doing.
We are the manufacturer of this pallet. It's a new generation of pallet. Because people are paying more and more attention to the environment protection, this pallet is made from wood chips.
Yeah, it's a very environmentally friendly.
Yes,
Yeah.
fumigation free and also no need for fumigation.
Oh, really? No need for the fumigation, is
Yes.
it? Yeah. So I know Australia's got a very strict biosecurity requirement. So that's a big plus if you can make sure that the pallets don't require fumigation.
Yes, so it's very good for import and exporting business.
Great. And where is it manufactured?
Our factory is located in Qingdao, also a very beautiful seaside city in China.
Oh, beautiful. And is this your first time in Australia, Bruce?
Yes, my first time.
Great. Congratulations. Welcome to Australia. How have you found the Expo CeMAT?
Oh, it's very grateful. It's just the exhibition we are looking for, quite suitable for our industry.
Yep. And are you happy you've had a lot of good interest and inquiries?
Yes, and many people, there's a huge demand of pallets in this market. Many people don't know this, so it's a very potential market for us.
Yeah. Well, I saw a statistic the other day that there's more pallets on Earth than there are people. So there's a lot of pallets, and Australia uses a lot of pallets. We're a big country.
Yes, it's a huge demand there.
Yeah. Great.
But mostly they use the solid wood pallet.
Yeah. Yeah. These are good. They look stackable. They look very versatile, but they're also strong too.
Yes, it's very strong, and the loading capacity can be 2.5 tons.
Wow.
For dynamic and static loading capacity, 6 to 8 tons.
Wonderful. Great. That's impressive. So thank you so much, Bruce, for being on Import Export TV. Congratulations for having a booth here at CeMAT, and we look forward to seeing you next time at CeMAT as well.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Bruce. Thank you.